Unveiling the world of magical creatures. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into an enchanting topic: magical creatures. These beings have fascinated humans for centuries, appearing in myths, legends, and modern stories. Let's explore what makes these creatures so captivating and how they enrich our language and imagination. Magical creatures, or mythical beings, are entities that possess supernatural abilities or attributes. They are often found in folklore, fantasy literature, and mythological stories from cultures around the world. From the mighty dragons breathing fire to the elusive unicorns with their healing horns, each creature brings a unique element to the tales in which they appear. Let's meet some of these fascinating beings. Dragons, powerful and often fearsome. Dragons are depicted as large, serpentine creatures. They symbolize strength, wisdom, and sometimes greed. Unicorns, known for their single, spiraled horn, unicorns are symbols of purity and grace. They are believed to have healing powers. Mermaids, half human, half fish, mermaids are said to inhabit oceans and seas, often enchanting sailors with their beauty and songs. Phoenix, a bird that regenerates from its ashes, symbolizing rebirth and immortality. These are just a few examples. The world of magical creatures is vast and varied, with each culture contributing its own unique beings. Magical creatures play a significant role in the way we communicate ideas of power, mystery, and wonder. They often represent human desires, fears, and values. In English, references to these beings can be found in everyday language, literature, and popular culture, serving as metaphors or symbols to express complex concepts and emotions. When learning English, understanding the stories and characteristics of these creatures can enhance your vocabulary and comprehension of cultural references. For example, saying someone has a dragon's appetite means they eat a lot. Being called a unicorn in a professional setting implies that you have unique, highly sought-after skills. Recognizing these expressions will not only boost your language skills but also deepen your appreciation of English literature and folklore. We hope you've enjoyed this magical journey through the world of mythical creatures. These beings not only enrich our stories but also our language, offering endless opportunities for learning and imagination. Keep exploring, and you'll find that the world of English is as vast and fascinating as the realms inhabited by dragons, unicorns, and mermaids. See you in our next adventure.